Hi guys, welcome to this new video tutorial. In this video I will show you how you could easily create a bootable USB flash drive for Windows 11. For downloading Windows 11, just open your browser and type Windows 11 and hit enter. You will locate the official website of Microsoft, www.microsoft.com. Download Windows 11. You want to click on that. If you have a different language, scroll down to the bottom, click on the language here, and change the language. As a next step, we want to download directly the ISO file. So before you begin, download an ISO. So here I'm going to select Windows 11 Multi-Edition ISO for 64 devices, and I will click confirm. Choose the language. I'm going to select English, confirm, and I'm going to click 64-bit download. This operation will take few minutes until it's completed. I will just pause here and show you once the operation is completed. Once the download is completed, go to the download folder, and there you will find your Windows 11 ISO file ready to be used. So here I do have mine, and here are the contained files in the ISO file. To begin, we are going to download Rufus software. So in the browser, type Rufus and hit enter. At this stage, click directly on Off Downloads under the Rufus website. Wait few seconds and it will be redirected to this page. Here, there will be several options. However, we're going to select the one compatible with Windows, the one which we can run on Windows. It ends with this extension, exe. For Linux or for Mac, you will have different options. So we're just going to select the first one. If you are not able to reach here, just go back to the website, type on the title or the name of the website, scroll down, and here you will be able to download. So we are going to download the standard version. You can also get the portable version, it goes back to the same. Once the download is completed, just click on it and double click on Rufus. Windows will ask you if you want to allow this application to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. The software will take a few seconds and then it should appear on the desktop. We're just waiting. Yeah, here it comes. It might take a few seconds. And here we have Rufus ready to be used. So again, just double click to open Rufus, the software that we've just downloaded. Windows will ask you if you want to allow the software to make changes to your device. Just go ahead and click yes. Locate where you have your operating system Windows 11. So here we have it. Copy the path link. Wait for Rufus to appear and we will proceed on the next. Sometimes it takes just a few seconds to appear, up to 1 minute. So here, make sure to select the correct device in which you want to set up the Windows 11. So open this PC shortcut and check your device name and the letter. So here it's I named it Windows 10 and it's under the letter F. And here I have it under the letter F and it's 16 giga size. Make sure under boot selection to select disk or ISO image and click on select. Wait for this to open. Next step, click on the link above and type or paste the link that you've copied earlier. Locate your Windows 11 and click open. Make sure to select standard Windows installation, partition scheme GPT, target system UEFI, and you can name it Windows 11. File system NTFS, cluster size 4096 bytes, quick format to be ticked, create extended label and icons file to be ticked, and that's it. Check the device for bad blocks, don't select it, and click start. Or if it's detected that the ISO you have selected contains a UEFI bootloader, I will just go ahead and click OK since the ISO file was downloaded from the official website of the manufacturer. Here you will have these options. I invite you to read through. You can tick or untick some of them. And for me, I will just change to the name Martin as a user account. You can either tick or untick the requirement for 4 giga and secure boot, the requirement for an online Microsoft account, a local account with username, regional options, disable data collection whatsoever. So you are free to select or unselect these options. Once done, just go ahead and click OK. And here all data on the device will be removed. You can go ahead and click yes since the flash drive or the SD card doesn't contain any data. The process will begin. The operation may take up to 4 or 5 minutes, and once done I will show you what is the next step. At this stage the operation is over, so just go ahead and click close. Wait a few seconds, it will disappear by its own. Open the PC shortcut and check your device. And here we have it, and it contains 9 giga of data. Thank you guys for watching, and talk to you soon in a new video tutorial.